Galaxy Z Fold 5 created some fascinating news as we're moving closer to the launch Z Fold 5. And interesting to watch the performance of Galaxy Z Fold 5, and there's one function missing which was rumored earlier. Nonetheless, this might be the largest upgrade we receive on the Galaxy Z Fold 5. The performance counts because of the new processor, as Samsung is going with the same processor used in the Galaxy S23 Ultra. The overclocked version of a normal Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, which is clocked at 3.36 GHz. And we have some numbers of the Z Fold 5 in Geekbench. This one is for the global version of the Galaxy Z Fold 5, and we can see 1845 single-core score and 5083 multi-core score, slightly less than what we have seen on the Galaxy S23 Ultra and much better than the Galaxy Z Fold 4. And this could be the reason for you to get Galaxy Z Fold 5, just for a new processor, as it is getting way better than the last generation. Now this Geekbench score validates a couple of other things. Thus we are going to receive an Android 13 out of the box and a new software, which is One UI 5.1.1. Now Z Fold 5 will get a couple of new features with any software, updates, and stock apps, and a new flex mode is coming. Interesting news is Galaxy Z Fold 5 we're going to get a 4 years of major software updates and 5 years of security update, which means it is more than enough for affordable phone. By getting a new processor on the Galaxy Z Fold 5, the battery life of the Galaxy Z Fold 5 has its say. We are going to get a same 4400 mAh battery, same as Z Fold 4. But with a power efficiency of a new processor, we can expect some big improvements over last year's Z Fold 4. At least 2 hours more screen on time than the Fold 4. Also, Galaxy Z Fold 5 is going to arrive with the 25W of fast charger. Number 45W support for the Fold 5. The another big update apart from a processor is a new hinge design. Now hear me out, Galaxy Z Fold 5 we're going to come with a new water drop hinge, which makes Fold 5 a flat folder device and brings a couple of updates along with it. But to let you know, there is no new durability numbers on the Z Fold 5 new hinge. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.